everyone, my name's Ali and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. If you're interested in unique recipe ideas, gardening, and finding joy in the ordinary like me, then be sure to subscribe to my channel as I upload new videos every week. Okay, let's get started with today's video. So today I'm giving you guys an update on one of the first plants I planted in my small space garden, which is green beans. My green beans have been growing like crazy over the past 5 weeks or so, and some are even ready to be harvested. Okay, so this is about a week after planting them outside. As you guys can see, I actually added a second green bean plant in this container. I was growing the other seedling indoors, and I just decided at the last minute to pop that in as the container was big enough for both of them. Okay, so this is a few days later. As you guys can see, I did add some support for my plant here. So this isn't necessary when growing bush beans. They don't actually require support, but I did have an extra tomato cage laying around, so I decided to just pop that in. So as you guys can see, the green beans are growing really well. They're really green and they have pretty much doubled in size. I have lots of new growth happening in the middle and lots of new leaves coming in. And this is about another week later. The plant has pretty much taken over the whole container at this point, and there's tons of little blossoms growing. These are all going to turn into green beans. So first they grow the flowers, and eventually the flowers will drop and reveal the green beans. And these are actually the first 2 green beans I found on my plant, which I'm showing you guys here. And another 2 little ones in the back here as well. And here we are another week later. You guys can see just how big the green bean plant has gotten. At this point, it's probably about 2.5 feet tall, and there is tons of growth on it, which I'm showing you guys here. Lots of new green beans popping up, and the ones from before have gotten a lot larger as well. Lots of little baby ones showing up down here as well. And tons of new growth is happening in the bottom. So while the top has been growing the beans, the bottom has been growing more blossoms. I'm super curious to see just how much I get off these 2 plants this year. And here we are another week later. The plant has gotten to about 3 feet tall at this point. That's about as tall as it's going to get. And as you can see, there is tons of growth happening. The green beans are getting almost to full size. They're not quite ready yet. It's important to make sure you pluck your green beans at the correct time. If you pluck them too early, they're not going to taste right, or if you wait too long and let them continue to grow on the plant, it will also cause the green beans to be less tender. So you want to make sure to pluck them when they're about 3 inches big. These few I'm showing you here are ready to be plucked, and make sure to pluck them as soon as they're ready. This encourages your plant to continue to produce more growth and more green beans for you. I did fertilize my green bean plants a couple times throughout the growing process, which really helped make it grow big and strong. I showed you guys in my other videos. I used a water-soluble plant food, and for reference, I am located in planting zone 6. Well, that's it for this video. I hope if you guys enjoyed this green bean update, you will leave me a like, a comment, or subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching, and see you all in my next video.